Alright, so the communication skill that I will be observing is their expressive, to see how well the student can demonstrate their understanding of the passage with their communication skills. This will allow me to see how they relay the information about what they read, understanding the values in the story. I will assess this under how the students discussed it within their groups and when they wrote their 2 to 3 sentences about how Tom changed throughout the story. And that being originally he was more focused on moving up the ladder, work oriented, and by the end he was more focused to be with his wife and being with her at home. I'll support the skill by using praise and acknowledging their success. If they did miss a part of the story, I will try to recorrect them so that they do get it right. And then I'll collect data daily through the activity, whether it's the 5 W's or their participation they have on the lesson day 3 when they're working in small groups. Overall, this will just let me know where they are at with the story.